Today for lunch, we're at Topgolf. We got some fried pickles, loaded chicken nachos, and mac and cheese bites. Let's dive into this. Fried pickles, we got two different sauces. First sauce. Not what I expected, a little sweet, kind of like a Thousand Island-y sauce. Not a huge fan. Assume it's ranch. Ranch isn't anything special. It tastes like Hidden Valley. I'll give these a 7.2. The loaded chicken nacho. We're gonna just get a loaded bite right here. Everything's seasoned well. The fresh sauce is a nice touch. The avocado crema is really good. The chicken is seasoned beautifully. I really like this. 8.4. Mac and cheese bites in the creamy marinara dip. And the ranch. Okay, my opinion, 9.1 in the marinara, 8.3 in the ranch. The marinara is better.